TheStreet recently attended South by Southwest in Austin, Texas, where crowdfunding was a popular topic.
EarlyShares is an equity-based crowdfunding platform. We were instrumental in the passing of the Jobs Act, which was signed by the President Obama on April 5th. The platform allows investors and entrepreneurs and small businesses to connect, so we can raise money for middle America, not just Wall Street and not just the Valley or tech startups over on the West Coast. So this is for every business out there that needs to raise capital. And it does it in a way where you have a large following, similar to other crowdfunding platforms where you've got donations or perks. This, in essence, here you get to invest in a company. So you put $100 in a company and you get a stock certificate, you get ownership in that company. Well, it doesn't sound like a lot, but if you've got 2,000 people giving $100, that's $200,000 for that company to grow. So it creates jobs, it creates opportunity for people to be, everybody's seeing Shark Tank, everybody wants to be on Shark Tank, everybody wants to be Mark Cuban. So this gives you the ability for the everyday American to be on Shark Tank. Most investments are $100, $200 into a company. You're pooled within 2,000 people asking questions, engaging the entrepreneur, looking at the product, looking at the markets. So I mean, crowdfunding has been around for as long as probably in the 1800s. I mean, the Statue of Liberty was crowdfunded in New York, the bricks. You know, the base, the foundation of the statue. We have the SEC. These are regulated portals. There's strict rules on how it's engaged. But the fact that the crowd diligence plays a big part of this. When you've got a campaign that thousands of people are looking at and they're talking to each other about, they're asking questions, they're engaging your entrepreneur, and there's that, and it's all, the beauty about crowdfunding, it's very transparent. Unlike, you know, your Reg D deals or any kind of private placement where it's like a one-on-one, closed conference room kind of stuff, this is very open. These are thousands of people communicating with each other, talking about a specific company. It's a two-way conversation. Everybody gets to see everything. Each one has a profile. They have the pitch video. They have financials. They have prototypes. If there's white papers on the company, if there's any patents. I mean, there's different fields for every possible. You know, they have their pitch. They control their pitch. We don't standardize it. You have an open forum for documents.
EarlyShares has been in existence for a year and a half, with offices in Miami, Chicago, and New York. EarlyShares is still waiting on the SEC for regulations regarding crowdfunding platforms. The company is venture cap funded, not crowdfunded.